Hello dear friend, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can find your gas pump or gas cylinder for your private car or a bike. Okay, so if you really don't know where the gas is located near to you, if you go to unknown place, then you can easily find this place using Google Maps. Okay, so how can you do this? Just follow my script, then you will learn. So here you can see Google Map, and you must turn on your location, because if you really want to see where the gas company located, then you have to choose this one. Okay, so you choose this one, gas. Here you can see the second option, and after that you have to click this one, this icon here. Then you can see that this is your location, and after that here you can see this kind of this look, the red icon, and there is gas. Okay, gas station. So you can easily find this. Okay friend, you can apply this if you don't know exactly the gas station. Okay friend, today is